I'm trying to give a presentation to you guys, and oh no, YouTube is playing in the background, and there's that noise, and I am frustrated, and I don't know what to do, but I don't want to close this YouTube channel because this is part of my lesson when I want to toggle to YouTube and show you a video. So I'm trying to click mute, but it's not happening, it's not working. What we do is right click and mute the site. We go back to our lesson that we're giving, and there is no more YouTube in the background. Oftentimes we give lessons and there is audios from different sites that we don't know what to do with, and we don't want to close the tab because we are going to use that site. Also, Outlook. How many times you get a notification when you're giving a lesson or when you're doing screencastifying and you have a ding in the background? Well, to get rid of that, we do the same thing. We're going to right click on our tab and we're going to scroll down to mute site. Now those notifications will not sound during your lesson or during your screencastifying session. I hope that was helpful. Make sure to follow and subscribe for more tips.